Hey guys, how you doing? You might be wondering, why am I holding fidgets? Well, we have a surprise. We got guinea pigs. That one right there is gray. That one's over there is Jeff. Well, Jeff is a booger. He pulls down all the hay, and Gray just likes to eat the pellets most of the time, but fidgets, do you like them? Well, she does not like them, Trampy. Come on, calm down, girlie. It's just okay. Well, you can stay right there then. Well, I'm gonna cage real quick so I can get a better closer look at them. Okay. Wow. Okay. Come on. Hello. Yeah, they're nice scaries. They don't bite. He's a booger, and he's just so much. Well, that really concludes my video. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please click like.
So fidgets pretty much don't like the guinea pigs.
Yes, I'm wrapping up the video now, bro. Thank you guys for watching. Please click like and subscribe. And in the comments, how do you think fidgets reacted? Let's see if you're paying attention. Was she scared? Put a 1 in the comments if she was scared. 2, if she wanted to eat the guineas.
She might.
3, if she was happy. Comment down below which number I held up.
She might be able. She might use like a bigger sword someday. Just to try to do it like when we were off video. We saw a fidget trying to kill Rocky.
Yeah. And the 2 is for wanting to eat him. Put 2 if she wants to eat him, or 3 if she's happy.
Put 4 if you want to know what happened to Rocky.
Yes. Bye-bye.